part of human decision making is comparison. So whenever we're deciding what to do, we will generally compare to a past experience or compare to a similar product or service or experience we've had, to make our decision easier. So what you can do is to save people the time of having to compare themselves is you can write in your copy the comparison. So you might see some businesses doing comparison charts, particularly for product or SaaS businesses. They might do comparison charts on their website to the features in other competitive products and what their features have that's different. So that saves people the trouble of having to go and look for the comparison themselves and helps making that decision easier. So a really great tip for your copy is to write in your copy how you're different. Write what those comparisons are to, you don't necessarily have to name your competitors, but write how you're different to your competitors, so that you're making that decision-making process easier for your reader and therefore getting them over the line quicker.